Hello, this is Colin Brazendale, and today I want to show you how I use a free financial planner to work out my financial goals for the next 7 years. I did this uh, freedom planning crash course today. It's presented by Hannes Dreyer. It's less than 1 hour it took me to go through it, and you get an excellent tool with it, or calculator, financial planner calculator with it. You can see the financial freedom planner, but I'll show you just now how you can work it out. So this is the landing page. You enter your details. It's only 7 day free access, but you will be able to download the calculator, and then you'll have that calculator forever. This is inside the course. You can see is a couple of the videos are all very short. It will take you less than 1 hour to do. It's presented by Laura Jansen, which is Hannes Dreyer's daughter. But let's go to the calculator. So what I did was after I did the course, because you need to do the course also to learn to use this calculator. So you enter your current age. Mine is 51, and then you can state your retirement age. So I decided I want to retire, say, in 7 years. So I put in 58. This is the current inflation rate plus minus. You can change that as well. And then I said I want to earn 60,000 Rand per month in today's value. So in today's money, I want to earn 60,000 Rand. So that is 720,000 Rand per year. So to earn that 60,000 per month, you need 7.2 million Rand, and you need to return, or say, 10% on that 7.2 million Rand to earn 60,000 per month. So you can, if I get 7.2 million Rand today, I can just give it to African Bank or Nedbank. They pay 10 to 13% interest per year, and then I'll be able to earn that. But the problem is I don't have the 7.2 million today. So now I need to work out a plan to get to 7.2 million um, in 7 years. So what this calculator tells me is that if I want to retire in 7 years, okay, 7.2 million with inflation will be 10 million Rand. Um, but how will I get to that? So I said I've got 2,500 Rand per month that I can save each month. So at what percentage must that 2,500 grow to be 10 million in 7 years? So the growth rate per year needs to be 85% per year, which is astronomical. But so now I need to. So now I've got like a goal or a target, because I call this the financial freedom growth rate. So that means I need to invest my monthly 2,500 Rand per month into something that will give me 85% or more to get to my goal of 10 million in 7 years' time. So there are not many things that can do that. You can unit trust will not do it. Stock market, you need to be very lucky in stock market. Um, you can start your own business, but that is very risky and complicated. Or cryptocurrencies can also give you that, but you need to be very good in your selection of coins to invest. But yes, I found something else that is much easier than any of the stuff that I've mentioned. And let me show you what I found. Let me just go there. Okay, what I found was the link to success, a service. What this is you link your trading account to successful proven Forex robot strategy. So you basically copying other successful, proven robots. This service has been going on for more than a year now, and the robots are just expanding and improving every month. And yeah, this is the landing page, so you can read through all this detail, or you must rather read this. Here you can see the best performing robots for the last or monthly average gains for the last month. Today is the 20th of October. This was updated the 14th of October. This weekend this will be updated again. There's a video how to get started. And here are the counts or the robots that the most popular robots that the people are linked to. But what is most important I want to show you is, okay, here's all the robots that you can link to, but here's the average. The average gain currently is 106% per year. So that is within my goal of 85. I need to link to, say, a portfolio of these to average out and to minimize my risk. I need to link to as many of these robots um, over the next couple of years, and I'll earn more than 85% on average. So this gives me hope that I will get to my goal. This is an easy way for me to get to my goal by building a forex trading business this way. So what I'll do is I'll take my 2,500 Rand every month, and every month I'll invest in another, or not invest, I'll link to another a signal. These are the signal codes. So yeah, all you do is you need to join to join the service. You join the Expert Forex Premium Forum, and then you download the trading bot, and then you stick that to or add it to your trading account, and then just tell the bot which link they must copy, and then they'll copy this link. You can see, for instance, this. Okay, this is sorted by monthly average account gain percentage. So you can see this one gained almost 60% in 1 month. This one 40%, 40%. And this account has been going on for 446 days already. So it has a total gain of almost 600% over that period. So this is proven bots, and you can see how many people have linked to these accounts. At the moment, there's only 8. I don't know why there's only 8. That might be an error, because the last time I saw there were more linked to this account. There's 102 other people linked to this account. And yeah, you can select here whatever you want to, and you can see what currency they are. You can see some of them are various. You can see what trading bot they're using. This is the name of each trading bot. But yeah, you can take your time and go through all these bots, and then right at the end you'll see how to join. You need to join the premium forum. There's more details there. So you just scroll to the bottom, and you um, click here to join the premium forum. It's $47 per month. So I see that as a startup cost for my new business. And then obviously you will have need to get a VPS, or you can trade on your computer as long as your computer is on 24/7 or 24/5, because it's only 5 days trading. And then yes, you can start your business. You get to join 3 bots initially, but you can expand that to unlimited bots up to 6. It will cost you an additional $60 per month. I've joined that now. But you don't have to join that from the beginning. As your account grows or you expand, you can. So initially you can buy additional 3 accounts for 27 accounts for $30 per month, and then expand your trading business that way. Um, so I just want to show you, as soon as you join the forum, you get 17 benefits with your, so this is the forum, and benefit number 15 is a linking service. So you'll click on here, and in there they'll show you step by step what to do. Even a newbie can just follow these steps, copy and paste, and yeah, if you get stuck, I can also help you with that. All these, this is a very active forum where members will help you if you get stuck. But yeah, need to follow these guidelines and these instructions. But you can see all the benefit that you get. One of the other big benefits is you get up to 60% off on trading bots. So if you want to manage your own trading bot, you can buy your own trading bot, you get 60% discount on that, and it's normally a once-off fee. Here you can see a special premium member discount of 60%. So I'm very excited about this this new venture of mine, or new business that I'm going to start, forex trading business that I'm going to start using this copy service. And I highly recommend you do this free course, um, this freedom planning crash course, to find out your financial freedom growth rate that you need to achieve. And then you'll have a goal. You'll then have a goal where what you need to um, earn from your savings to get to your financial goal. And that percentage will be, every month you can measure how much you've earned, and you can see if you're up or down or on course to reach your financial freedom goal. Mine is in 7 years, but yeah, you can change, you can play around with this. If I want to say I'm going to go in 6 years, and you'll see this changes. So this is 101%. But with the average of the Link to Success service, I can even do it in six years, because the average is 106% on of what the robots are doing now. Or the other things I can decide um, I want to save less each month, but then I'll have to my percentage will increase. Or I can say I'll contribute more, then I need to get much my return, my financial freedom growth rate will go down. So that, I think this is very exciting, and this will give you direction to where you want to go with your finances. So go and do the free freedom planning crash course. I'll put the link below. And then, yes, if you've got any questions, please comment below. Um, I'm here to help you. And if you want to follow my progress, I've already started building my portfolio, and I'll expand on my portfolio. I'll share my progress with you in the videos after this one. So if you want to follow my progress, please subscribe to my YouTube channel, and you can see my progress. So yes, thank you very much for watching. Bye for now.